Hi folks, Dusty here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about construction. These are insulated concrete forms. If you're not familiar with them, ICFs are, in my opinion, a superior way to build any home or commercial building, period. ICFs offer exceptional strength, resistance to extreme weather conditions and natural disasters, and are very energy efficient. People use these to build bomb shelters, tornado shelters, vault rooms, panic rooms, etc. There are several manufacturers, but today I'm going to teach you how you can make your own ICF equivalent walls all on your own. That's right, I am finally revealing the step-by-step process right here for you for free. There's only 10 steps, but I've got a lot to squeeze in these 5 minutes. So please bear with me. There's a lot of details, so get your pen and paper ready because I don't want you to miss anything. Alright folks, jumping right into it. The easy 10-step system to building and pricing a comparable non-ICF wall. Alright, step 1. You have to start with an 8-inch thick or appropriate monolithic solid reinforced concrete wall. Now this could be 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. It's got to be monolithic, meaning all the way around has to be one piece of concrete. It's got to be fully solid and reinforced with rebar to meet your local codes. Alright, step 2. Now you have to cure that wall in a controlled environment to ensure optimal cure temperature and humidity in any ambient condition for a full 28 days. So once you get that wall built, now you've got to cure it perfectly in the perfect environment for a full 28 days until it is fully cured. Easy enough. Step 3. Add an approximate R12 insulation system to the exterior that has these following qualities. It has to have all these. It's got to be moisture resistant, it's got to be mold resistant, mildew resistant, rot resistant, insect resistant, invasive animal resistant, 100% recyclable, and lightweight. Alright, moving on to step 4. Still on the exterior here, we have to add a system for easy attachment of waterproofing or siding, and that has to have these qualities. It has to have the same holding power as a wood stud. It has to eliminate any potential for thermal bridging. It has to be moisture resistant, mold resistant, mildew resistant, rot resistant, insect resistant, invasive animal resistant, be 100% recyclable, and lightweight. That's a pretty tall order, but we can do it, folks. Okay, now just to recap, we have that solid reinforced monolithic concrete wall. It has cured for a full 28 days in the optimum environment, optimal temperature, optimal humidity. We have an insulation system on the exterior. We have an easy attachment point on the exterior for waterproofing or siding. All of it has to meet all that criteria. Alright, good. We're going to move on to the inside now. Step 5. Add an approximate R12 insulation system to the interior that has the following qualities. Moisture resistant, mold resistant, mildew resistant, rot resistant, insect resistant, invasive animal resistant. Has to be 100% recyclable and lightweight. Same as the outside, just on the inside. Step 6. This one's a little different. Ensure the interior system has an embedded stud structure that offers these attributes. It has to have the same holding power as a wood stud. Eliminate any potential for thermal bridging through the wall. Has to be moisture resistant, mold resistant, mildew resistant, rot resistant, insect resistant, invasive animal resistant. Has to be fully recyclable and lightweight. Again, a little bit of a tall order, but we can do it. Alright folks, I hope you're following along okay. I know I'm doing this quick, but you can always go back and replay the video if you need to. Step 7. Plan for an easy method for installation of recessed plumbing or electrical infrastructure. This means on the inside, if you're running wires or running plumbing supplies, you want to be able to hide that behind drywall. You don't want it all to be surface mounted. Step 8. Ensure the interior wall surface is ready for drywall installation without any additional work or specialized fasteners. We don't want to have to go out and buy anything fancy or specific for this. We want to be able to use stuff we can get right in the hardware store. Step 9. Make the entire system modular. easily transported and easily installed by a small number of semi-skilled individuals without the use of expensive or specialized equipment. That one's tough, but it can be done. And then, step 10, make the system readily available worldwide and price it according to its features and benefits. And there you have it, folks. Easy enough. You can do it. Best of luck to you. Thanks for watching. As always, take the trip and enjoy the ride.